how to find OKX wallet address. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, let's show you how you will be able to identify and find your own wallet address. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on our wallet. So as you can see right now, we're currently on our wallet. So select a random crypto that we have over here. And you can see here that we will be able to see our own wallet over here. So depending on which one, you could see the wallet that you will have, or our ID or our wallet for our specific cryptocurrency over here. You could also do the same thing. So if you click on our wallet over here, click on manage wallet, then click on addresses, you will be able to see all the different address for our wallet for each different currency that we have over here. So simply select the one that you need for a specific currency. So let's say you're going to trade some Solana. Simply copy the address that you have over here for Solana and paste that on the trading or the sending wallet of another wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.